Welcome to my channel. So, 10 facts about me.
Mayroon na kaming nilist para hindi na kami maghanap pa na mag-isip-isip. So, diretso na lang. Ang tanong, ano ang favorite color or what's your favorite color?
Purple.
Second question, what's your favorite fruit?
Grapes.
Okay. Pangatlong tanong. Favorite sport or favorite sports?
Badminton.
Pang-apat na tanong, favorite Sanrio character?
Kurumi.
Okay. Number 5 or ikalimang tanong, favorite candy?
Kinky. Lollipop.
Favorite candy lollipop. Pang-anim na tanong, anong favorite food mo?
Burger. Fries. Spaghetti.
Very good. So, pang-pitong tanong, anong favorite mo na chocolate?
Goya. And
Go.
Snickers.
Okay. Pang-walong tanong, favorite movies?
Inside Out.
Pang-siyam na tanong, favorite shoes or brand ng shoes? Favorite shoes brand, Nike. Last question, how old are you?
I'm